So, there's this fresh new approach that I discovered and I can't wait to share it with you. If you're someone who is always watching videos about generating money online, this brand new method will be ideal for you. How much money can you make from this? Well, let's just say you will be able to earn around $40,000 per month simply by sharing links. If you think that's unrealistic, look at my earnings from using this strategy. I have only been doing it for a few days and I've always been able to make this much money. Imagine the earning possibilities with this brand new technique if we tried it for a month. If you watch all the way to the end, I will show you some unique additional steps that will help you make even more. The tips I'll share with you is not known by a lot of people and you will only see these tips on my channel. That is why I highly encourage you to watch this video all the way through. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Take a look at all of these campaigns right here. We will be using these campaigns to make some money, and I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to make money from this, so stay tuned. Don't worry, this website is available in all countries around the world, so no matter where you are right now, you can earn money from it. What I like about it is that even if you have no experience with online jobs, you can earn a lot of money from it because the strategy I'm about to show you is completely beginner-friendly. Kickbooster.me is the website that we will be utilizing in today's video. Simply go to kickbooster.me and you will be able to see their homepage, which looks like this. Right now, mouse over users and then click on affiliates right here, which will take you to a page where you can learn more about becoming an affiliate marketer on our website. You may receive incentives for sharing your favorite projects right now on this page, and you can use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and be rewarded for every successful pledge that comes through your link if you scroll down below. You can also share your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email, or anywhere else you choose and earn commissions. The more you share, the more you earn, which is a fantastic way to make money. You can see the method for becoming an affiliate marketer for this website by scrolling down further. It is as simple as 4 steps and I will lead you through them so that you may make a lot of money from this website as well. So, to make money from this website, you must first sign up for a free account. You will need to register an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes and you will not be charged anything. The second step is to choose a project to advertise. As I mentioned earlier, they have a large number of projects from which you can choose and make money. You may explore their marketplace to find great projects to promote. Then, you must spread the news. With a click of a button, you can produce a unique affiliate link and share it with your network. You may post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform of your choosing. Finally, once you've completed all of the preceding procedures, you can sit back and relax while waiting for your commissions to arrive. If you think that was quick, don't worry, I will teach you step-by-step instructions later on so that you don't get lost. Many individuals skip through the video and wind up earning nothing, which is something I don't want to happen to you since I want you to profit from the tactics I'm teaching you, which is why you must watch this video all the way to the conclusion. So the first step is to create an affiliate account on Kickbooster, and all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this purple button that says sign me up, and you will be sent to this page for affiliate marketer sign up. Simply fill out these boxes with your information and don't forget to tick this box to agree to their terms and conditions. To complete the sign-up procedure, check the box that reads I am not a robot and then click the submit button. You now have an affiliate marketer account on Kickbooster. Alright, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go back to the video. You will be connected to your own dashboard after registering an account. On this dashboard, you will be able to check how much money you've earned so far from your affiliate links. There are no profits yet because this account is fresh and new. But as you watch this video, you will notice that $0 transform into $100, $500, $1,000, and so on. So you should keep watching. The next step is to browse for projects to promote. To do so, simply click on the marketplace and you will be routed to Kickboosters Marketplace, where you can see some of the projects that are currently accessible on Kickbooster. You may pick the category you wish to view on the left side of the Kickbooster Marketplace. There are beauty and personal care products, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel. Simply click on any of these categories to see the available projects. In a moment, I will show you which category to choose to earn the most money. It will be very simple, so you won't have to worry about anything. The best part is that this is completely free. You won't have to invest any of your hard-earned money. Okay, so the 3 categories that I've tried and tested are design, health, and technology. These 3 categories have products that you can promote and will pay you a lot of commissions. So click on these 3 categories and Kickbooster will show you the products that fall into those 3 categories. As I said at the beginning of the video, I will now offer you a bonus tip. In the sort by drop-down option, pick commission high to low, since that way you will be able to view the goods that pay a high commission when you recommend them. After you chose that, Kickbooster will show you the items with the greatest commissions. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you will notice these products that will pay you anywhere from 20% to 30% in commissions. That is a lot of money for me, and you don't have to do anything to get it. All you have to do is share the affiliate link and wait for people to click on it, and they will pay you your commission. So now, we need to pick a product. You can pick whatever you want, but for this video, I am going to go with this product because it has a high commission rate. When you click on the product, you'll be sent to their landing page where you can learn more about it. As you can see, they will pay you 30% of every dollar you generate for their campaign. I will now click on this View Campaign button to learn more about the project. I think this is a fantastic product, and I'm sure a lot of people will click on it if you share it with them. The beautiful thing about this is that you don't need a lot of people to click on your affiliate link to make money. In fact, you only need 3 to 4 individuals to make a decent amount of money. Okay, to begin promoting this product, simply click this button and you'll be given a unique affiliate link that you can copy and share with others. If you're wondering where you can share your link, don't worry, because I will show you some different traffic sources where you can share your link, and I know that a lot of people visit these websites because I use them myself. The first website with a lot of traffic is Quora.com, which I have previously mentioned and which I believe you are already aware of. All you have to do in Quora is just search for new technologies. You will be able to see others chatting about this issue, and these people will be interested if you share the product you discovered on Kickbooster with them. You can just react to any of these posts, talk about the product you found, and then share your affiliate link with them. The second website is Facebook. I know many of you have Facebook accounts and you can use them to advertise your affiliate link. All you have to do is search for technology enthusiasts on Facebook, then click on groups and then join on any of these groups. You will be able to earn your commissions in a few days and spend them as you wish. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.